What's your name? Okay, so what's your main sports before pickleball? Before pickleball? Basketball. Swimming. Okay, and then why do you like pickleball? Why do you like pickleball?
Sa sound sa kapag facing.
Okay. Tunog? Okay. And last question, what's your feedback about yung club natin? Okay. 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 Sige. Thank you. Adi? Azi and Adi. Okay.